All right, it's May. I'm trying to catch crappie and I'm failing big time. Fished today, caught a bunch of dink basses and a couple of perch. Anyways, the tracker motor speedometer for my Nitro 640LX, the speedometer's not working. And after investigating a little bit, down here, there's a little tiny hole right here, and it is packed full of, I don't know, it's either mud or seaweed or I don't know what it is. So I gotta, hopefully you can see that, clean it out. Now I just grabbed some drill bits. I'm gonna try to find the right size one and clean this hole out. And this one is too big. Let's go with this one. You can see that it's packed full of crud. And if this hole gets stuff in it, the speedometer don't work. Now, irony is today when I was fishing, I did not. Oh, there's some water coming out. Look at that. As I was fishing, I did not notice, or I didn't hit anything. Yeah, that's what it was. So, if you're having problems with your speedometer, check this hole. This drill, or this is a .7/64 drill bit. This is the 1/8. Let me try this one. Maybe 1/8. Oh, this is perfect. 1/8 is the perfect size. Right there. I just burped. So there we go. Then you'll be back in business. Subscribe and hit the like button. Have a nice day.